Making mayonnaise is a fascinating process. Ever wondered how that creamy, tangy condiment is created? Today, we're delving into the world of mayo production to uncover the secrets behind this beloved spread. From eggs to oil, and a touch of magic in between, let's explore how it's made. To make perfect mayonnaise, start by choosing the right ingredients. Let's take a closer look at what goes into this tasty condiment. Mayonnaise starts with eggs, specifically their yolks, which make it creamy. It's important to carefully separate yolks from whites to avoid any eggshells. Apart from eggs, vinegar is crucial in mayo production, not just for its tangy flavor, but also for helping the ingredients stick together. High-quality vinegar, like white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar, is often chosen for its unique taste and aroma. Oil is another essential ingredient that gives mayo its smooth and creamy texture. Different oils like vegetable oil, sunflower oil, or olive oil can be used based on personal preference. These oils not only add flavor, but also bring healthy fats to the mayo. Seasonings like mustard, salt, and pepper enhance the flavor. Mustard, in particular, adds tanginess and helps stabilize the mixture. Finding the right balance with these seasonings brings out the unique taste of mayonnaise, making it great for various dishes. Now, let's delve into the secret of achieving that creamy texture. Once you have the ingredients, the emulsification process begins. Traditionally done by hand with a whisk, modern times often use electric mixers or blenders for convenience. In a mixing bowl, combine egg yolks, vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper. The key to emulsification is gradually adding oil in a thin, continuous stream while whisking or blending. This allows the oil to mix with the other ingredients, forming a stable emulsion. Lecithin, a natural emulsifier in egg yolks, plays a crucial role. Emulsification requires careful technique. If you add oil too quickly or don't whisk blend enough, the emulsion may break, resulting in a runny mixture. Striking the right balance is crucial for the perfect consistency. Temperature matters too. Room temperature ingredients are recommended, but some chefs prefer chilled ingredients for better control over the process. Mastering emulsification takes practice, but it's worth it. From classic mayo to flavorful variations, the possibilities are endless. After emulsification, the mayo undergoes quality control to ensure it meets high standards before packaging. Quality control involves taste testing by professionals who evaluate the mayo for tanginess, creaminess, and overall taste. Once it passes, the mayo is ready for packaging. Jars or bottles are filled, sealed to maintain freshness, and labeled with information like ingredients and expiration date. Clear labels help consumers make informed choices. Packaged mayo is then distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, and households, where it finds its way into countless dishes. In conclusion, making mayonnaise involves selecting ingredients, emulsification, quality control, and packaging. Mayo is a versatile condiment with a rich history and fascinating origin. Mayonnaise has a rich history that goes back to the Mediterranean region, with its creation linked to the city of Mahon, Spain, during the 18th century. Legend has it that French chef François-Louis Poulain de Safran improvised a sauce using eggs and oil, laying the groundwork for modern-day mayonnaise. The introduction of mayonnaise to the United States is credited to the French chef Marie-Antoine Carême, who moved to America in the early 19th century. Carême's expertise significantly influenced American cooking, making mayonnaise popular in the country. Mayonnaise quickly became a beloved condiment worldwide, enjoyed for its creamy texture and tangy flavor. It became a staple in sandwiches, salads, dressings, and sauces. Over time, various variations like aioli, which adds garlic to the traditional recipe, emerged. Next time you enjoy mayo, appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into creating that jar. Stay curious and explore the stories behind everyday products. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more engaging content. Thanks for watching.